My name is Vajra. I'm the beverage director for Fifth Group Restaurants here in Atlanta, Georgia. And thanks for joining me out here this lovely day. It's a summertime, beautiful day in the patio. People ask me a lot of times when I travel, they say, what's the best cocktail? What's the best summertime cocktail? Well, some people would say it's a margarita, some people would say it's sangria, some people would say it's a gimlet. This cocktail we'll do today is developed from the spirit of summertime, the spirit of let's rediscover gin, and also that summertime is about growth, it's about burgeoning life. So this is a garden cocktail. This is a cocktail that has all sorts of different flavors and layers of different flavors. First of all, we're using a gin from Scotland. Gins are becoming very, very hip these days. This particular gin I like a lot because it has a unique profile, as many of these artisan gins do. This Hendrick's gin has coriander, citrus peel, and rose petals, so we have a little floral garden element there. And then we'll also include a little bit of lime juice, mostly for just balance and acidity. And then we have some simple syrup that I've infused some mint in. So you shock the mint in water and blanch it essentially and put it directly into the simple syrup, pull some of the oils out, which also adds a little bit of floral, spicy floral kind of character from the mint. So we have that, and then last but not least, a very, very important component, the Moscato. Now this particular Moscato is from Marchesi di Greci. This is a Moscato d'Asti, and this one is actually frizzante, or as many Moscato d'Astis are, has bubbles. So you don't have to use this one. You could use any Moscato you want. You could also use a very floral dessert wine. But the deal is that you have this botanical gin. You have mint, you have lime, and then we have this wonderfully floral aromatic wine from Italy. Okay, so let's make this thing. We'll do it like we have in the past, where I'm actually going to use a jigger and we're going to measure all these so you can see that this really comes out for real. I'm not going to pull any slick bartender moves, but you'll watch me measure these. You know, in fact, this is a good idea for you to get one of these. If you can get them at any good liquor store or spirits package store, this is a great measuring device. You can get them in different sizes, 1.5 and 1, but this one is actually 1 1/4 and then 3/4 of an ounce. So we're going to start off with our base spirit. We're going to use an ounce and a half of the Hendrick's gin. We're going to portion that directly into the glass, and then we'll move to the Moscato. And then I've made this simple syrup that I mentioned to you. We will add a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Don't forget the lime. You've got to have the lime for the acidity. So we'll do a nice big squeeze. Here's the trick. I like to do this because it chills it down. So it's sort of like a shake. Back in the glass. A few more rocks. Cap it off with some tonic. And a nice healthy sprig of mint. The mint, again, just ties in that whole aromatic element. If someone asked me what the best summertime cocktail was, I'm going to say it's this. Good for the guys, good for the girls, good for the patio, good for the beach, good for the pool, good for the boat. There it is, Il Fiore.